Linguistically, dua means to call out. That's all it means. But Islamically, in our religion, dua has a much more deeper meaning. It's so much more powerful than that. Dua means to call out to one's creator, to beseech Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to turn to Him in a state of absolute neediness and poverty. And if you want to kind of get really precise about it, dua is basically turning away from everybody and everything else and just turning to Allah Most High. That is the real meaning of dua. And so dua is the ultimate form of ubudiyah, of worship. It is the ultimate form of worship because it signifies one's dependence on Allah Most High, knowing that every single condition, whether it's good or bad, happy or sad, whether there's benefit or loss, wealth or poverty, all of this is exclusively in the hands of Allah Most High. And when we make dua, we're basically affirming that reality because we are turning to our Creator, begging, beseeching, asking, because we know that it's all in His hands. And so dua affirms that truth that Allah is all powerful, He's perfect, and we're not. We're not. And we don't have the power to do anything. And dua, what it does when we make it, when we call out to our Creator, we basically affirm all of Allah's perfect attributes. And I think the thing that I love the most about dua, what do I love the most about dua? Is that it comes from the heart. The dua of a Muslim comes from the heart. And so the way your du'as are really shows the state of your heart.